So now you've received your DALMATA mold kit for your grills, and you should have received these items: a syringe, a mouth tray, a base, a catalyst, gloves, a box, and a return label. So you're going to place everything out on your table, and then you're going to put your gloves on. Do not forget to put your gloves on, and you're going to get your mold putty out first. So you're going to combine those two until you get one solid color. And I'm going to let you guys watch this all the way through so that you see how long it takes and what the color needs to look like. Once the mold putty is all one color and there is no streaks, we're going to roll that into a cylinder that's about 4 inches long. And then we're going to place that into our mouth tray, putting the bulk of it at the front of the mouth tray. Then we're going to quickly insert that into our mouth, and we're going to keep that in our mouth for 3.5 minutes. See that extra push that I did? You don't need to do that. Don't do that. Just gently push it into your mouth. Once you've taken it out, it should look like this. And now we're going to pop open our syringe just like so. And we're going to focus the compound in the front 6 teeth, at least in my case, because I'm getting my grill in the front of my mouth. So it depends on where you're getting it. Think about that when doing so, but we're going to focus it on where we're getting our grills made because this is going to add that extra detail. So we're going to push that back into our mouth gently, and we're going to leave that in our mouth for 4 minutes. Just hold it there, and it should look like this. At this point, please send us a photo of your mold to info@shopdalmata.com. Once we've confirmed that you've done it correctly, please place it back into the baggie that we have given to you and then put it back in the box that this was sent in with the return label back to us, and we'll get started on your grill. Thank you.